Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, most definitely welcome. So congratulations to Chidimma for winning Miss Universe Nigeria 2024. When I did a video last week, I mentioned that it won't make sense if she goes all the way to Nigeria and doesn't come out right. After all the backlash that she faced in trying to participate in Miss Universe South Africa, this is indeed a great achievement. If you remember what she said after she failed to contest in Miss Universe South Africa, she said, "I have decided to participate in the Miss Universe Nigeria 2024 beauty pageant. I understand the expectations and responsibilities that come with this title, and I'm so excited to embark on the journey. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm looking forward to participate in Africa's most prestigious beauty pageant." That was her words. And she didn't even look like someone who was hurt. She was looking forward. I think it reminds us that no matter what, our spirit should not be broken. She represents the power of resilience of African women, I guess. I don't know what you guys think of her. And considering that there was a lot that was happening last week, because people were like, we no longer want to vote for her, let's vote for Kwara, Miss Kwara, let's go there and vote for her. And seeing all that was happening, I don't know what was her spirit, but she fought. Now we can't wait to see her representing Nigeria at a global stage. Although there are some Nigerians who are not happy about this decision, they are saying it wasn't fair, considering that there were other contestants who worked day and night tirelessly for this position, and now someone who was claiming to be a South African now comes and grabs the crown. I don't know what you guys think about the stance. They have all the right to be mad about her, because now she's representing her country. Despite that, she came last minute and now she's now crowned. It's in her country. That's what matters, I guess. I don't know what you guys think about this, but I would say congratulations. And next time that we are going to see her on stage, she will be with Mia. I don't know who's going to win between the two of them, or who is going to be crowned, whatever, or be in the top 10 or so. Let's just wait and see. Uh, Despite whatever, we will support whoever wins.